The Boeing C-17 Globemaster III is a large military transport aircraft that was developed for the United States Air Force. The C-17 carries forward the name of two previous piston-engine military cargo aircraft, the Douglas C-74 Globemaster and the Douglas C-124 Globemaster II. The C-17 commonly performs tactical and strategic airlift missions, transporting troops and cargo throughout the world. Additional roles include medical evacuation and airdrop duties. The transport is in service with the USAF along with Air Arms of India, the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Qatar, the United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, and the Europe-based multilateral organization Heavy Airlift Wing. The C-17 Globemaster III is a strategic transport aircraft, able to airlift cargo close to a battle area. The size and weight of U.S. mechanized firepower and equipment have grown in recent decades from increased air mobility requirements, particularly for large or heavy non-palletized outsize cargo. It has a length of 174 feet and a wingspan of 169 feet 10 inches and uses about 8% composite materials, mostly in secondary structure and control surfaces. The C-17 is powered by four Pratt & Whitney F117 PW100 turbofan engines, which are based on the commercial Pratt & Whitney PW2040 used on the Boeing 757. Each engine is rated at 40,400 off of thrust. The engine's thrust reversers direct engine exhaust air upwards and forward, reducing the chances of foreign object damage by ingestion of runway debris, and providing enough reverse thrust to back up the aircraft while taxiing. For cargo operations, the C-17 requires a crew of 3: pilot, co-pilot, and loadmaster. The cargo compartment is 88 feet long by 18 feet wide by 12 feet 4 inches high. The cargo floor has rollers for palletized cargo, but it can be flipped to provide a flat floor suitable for vehicles and other rolling stock. Cargo is loaded through a large aft ramp that accommodates rolling stock, such as a 69-ton M1 Abrams main battle tank, other armored vehicles, trucks, and trailers, along with palletized cargo. Maximum payload of the C-17 is 170,900 pounds, and its maximum takeoff weight is 585,000 pounds. With a payload of 160,000 pounds and an initial cruise altitude of 28,000 feet, the C-17 has an unrefueled range of about 2,400 nautical miles on the first 71 aircraft and 2,800 nautical miles on all subsequent extended range models that include a sealed center wing bay as a fuel tank. Boeing informally calls these aircraft the C-17ER. The C-17's cruise speed is about 450 knots. It is designed to airdrop 102 paratroopers and their equipment. According to Boeing, the maximum unloaded range is 6,230 nautical miles. The C-17 is designed to operate from runways as short as 3,500 feet and as narrow as 90 feet. The C-17 can also operate from unpaved, unimproved runways, although with a higher probability to damage the aircraft. The thrust reversers can be used to move the aircraft backwards and reverse direction on narrow taxiways using a 3 or more point turn. The plane is designed for 20 man-hours of maintenance per flight hour and a 74% mission availability rate. The first production C-17 was delivered to Charleston Air Force Base, South Carolina, on 14 July 1993. C-17s delivered military supplies during Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan and Operation Iraqi Freedom in Iraq, as well as humanitarian aid in the aftermath of the 2010 Haiti earthquake and the 2011 San floods, delivering thousands of food rations, tons of medical and emergency supplies. USAF C-17s have also assisted allies in their airlift needs, such as Canadian vehicles to Afghanistan in 2003 and Australian forces for the Australian-led military deployment to East Timor in 2006. The C-17 Globemaster III is the most flexible cargo aircraft to enter the airlift force. The C-17 is capable of rapid strategic delivery of troops and all types of cargo to main operating bases or directly to forward bases in the deployment area. The aircraft can perform tactical airlift and airdrop missions and can transport litters and ambulatory patients during aeromedical evacuations. The inherent flexibility and performance of the C-17 force improve the ability of the total airlift system to fulfill the worldwide air mobility requirements of the United States. The ultimate measure of airlift effectiveness is the ability to rapidly project and sustain an effective combat force close to a potential battle area. Threats to U.S. interests have changed in recent years, and the size and weight of U.S. mechanized firepower and equipment have grown in response to improved capabilities of potential adversaries. Reliability and maintainability are two outstanding benefits of the C-17 system. Current operational requirements impose demanding reliability and maintainability. These requirements include an aircraft mission completion success probability rate of 92%, only 20 aircraft maintenance man-hours per flying hour, and full and partial mission availability rates of 74.7% and 82.5%, respectively. The Boeing warranty assures these figures will be met.